Hello guys, we are back with our second part of Newton's laws of motion. This includes few questions. The first question reads as, when forces F1, F2, F3 are acting on a particle of mass m such that F2 and F3 are mutually perpendicular so that the particle remains stationary. If the force F1 is now removed, then the acceleration of the particle is. Suppose this is a block and three forces are acting. And it's given the condition that F2 and F3 are mutually perpendicular to each other. That means F2, this is F2 and this is F3 are mutually perpendicular to each other. This includes the concept of vector resultant and nothing else. This is a very simple question after all. Now the resultant of F2 and F3 will be acting somewhere like this. So F net is this, right? Now the body is not moving anywhere, right? So this F net should be balanced and there are three forces acting. So F1 will be balancing this F net, the net force of two forces. So F1 will be like this, right? Now the question in the question it is given that now F1 is removed, means F1 is not here. So we can write that we can write the condition that F1 plus F2 plus F3 is nothing but 0, as it is not causing any acceleration, as it is not causing any movement, so there is no acceleration, so this resultant is 0, right? Now F2 plus F3 we have denoted with F1 and that is F net, sorry, we have denoted F2 and F3 with F net, so it will be equal to 0. So now F1 is nothing but negative of F net. Now when this F1 will be removed, so F net will not be balanced, right? So the body will move with F net in somewhere in this direction. Now F1 is removed, so and we have seen that F1 is equal to F net, so the acceleration is force by mass, so F net by mass, which is equals to the removed force F1 by mass. Thank you. So next question. The question reads as, one end of a massless rope which passes over a massless and frictionless pulley P is tied to a hook C while the other end is free. Maximum tension that the rope can bear is 840 Newton, right? With what value of maximum safe acceleration in meter per second square can a man of 60 kg climb the rope? Options are given. I suggest you all to first try this question. The figure is given here, and then go for the solution and then look for the solution. This is the last question which was asked in 2002 JEE Mains from Newton's laws of motion, right? With the hope that you all have tried, I'm going for the solution. Here it's given that the man is climbing. So suppose this is the man and the tension will be acting in the upward direction. The man will be climbing in the upward direction according to the question. But the mg will be acting in the downward direction, right? The gravity is acting in the downward direction. So by balancing of forces, we can write that tension minus mg is equals to the acceleration of the man, right? This is the tension which the rope will have, right? From here we can write T is equals to ma plus mg, right? So T is ma, m into a plus g. Now the tension is given, which is the safe, the maximum tension. That means this is the maximum tension that the rope can bear without breaking, right? Or we can say that this is the tensile strength of the rope, right? So it's given that this is 840 Newton. So we can write 840 Newton is equals to mass of the man. Mass of the man is given here 60 kg. So we will put 60 kg. And now acceleration is asked. it's not given, it's asked, and gravitational by force by default we know that it is 10. It's 9.8. For easier of calculation we can take it as 10. Now we will go with the calculation. The 60 will come here, and a plus 10 cancelling, we are getting 6 12. This is 14, right? A plus 10. So acceleration will be nothing but 4 meter per second square. This means option C is right. So the maximum safe acceleration with which the man can climb up is 60 kg on the rope without breaking it. So this is the solution. Hope it helped you. Thank you very much.